yung reactions niyo regarding
Yung?
reactions niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item?
He's lying.
Ito yung mga bangko. You cannot pass a law with blank.
It has to be complete and sad.
That is not allowed. Bakit mo ilagay blanco dyan? Oh, if it's a contingent amount, you play the contingent amount. Whether it falls short or sobra, then you can add. Or, kunin mo, kung may sobra. But you cannot speculate by placing a blank there for the amount of the appropriations or whatever it is. It's just not, it is not allowed by law. You cannot pass an incomplete appropriation or bill for that matter, whatever.
Kunin lang po namin yung reactions niyo regarding
Yung?
reactions niyo, sir, regarding sa allegation po ni former President Duterte regarding sa blank item.
He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie. I was watching the news earlier today and people were saying, it's 4,000 pages. Paano namin ibubusisiin yan? Ang gaganto, para titignan namin isa-isa. Hindi na lang. Meron namang kopya that's available on the website of DBM. Tignan ninyo, huwag na ninyo busisihin isa-isa. Hanapin nyo yung sinasabi nila na blank check. Tignan ninyo kung meron kahit isa para mapatunayan na tama ang sinasabi ko kasi nungalingan yan. That's my reaction.
Sir, regarding po sa possible extension ni PNP Chief Marbil, meron po bang ganitong plano, sir?
Well, there is a very strong argument that it would not be good for stability, especially to change Chief PNP in the middle of a campaign period and then approaching an election period. So pinag-aaralan namin, but I think that is probably a very strong argument to keep him on, at the very least until after the elections. All right.
Sir, may recommendation po ang MMDA to shorten yung pasok sa government agency sa Metro Manila to ease the traffic from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Yes, I saw that. Well, we're studying it. If it works, we'll do it. But we have to. It's not enough to talk to the traffic enforcers and the administrators of traffic that have made the suggestion. We also have to ask the commuting public kung practical para sa kanila. So if it turns out that everyone agrees to it, then I cannot see why it will be a problem. Okay? Oh, wait. Before I leave, I was asked last Thursday on what my opinion was on sex education in schools. And I stand by my answer that sex education is extremely important. When I was talking about sex education, I remembered our sex education when I was in school. At ang itinuro sa amin ay anatomy. What is the anatomy of male and female reproductive systems? Naalala ko pa, nanood kami ng video ng mga cell na nagdi-divide para maging baby. Yun ang tinuro sa amin. Kailangan talagang malaman ng mga kabataan yan. However, over the weekend, I finally read in detail Senate Bill 1979. And I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that. Because all this woke that they are trying to bring into our system. You will teach four-year-olds how to masturbate. That every child has the right to try different sexualities. This is ridiculous. It is abhorrent. It is a travesty of what sexual and sex education should be to the children. What about the parents? Wala na silang karapatan na silang mag-decide kung ano at kailan tuturuan yung bata. I'm a parent and I'm a grandparent. So I feel very strongly about this. So, let me be very, very clear. I still believe that sex education, in terms of teaching kids the anatomy of the reproductive systems of male and females, is extremely important. The consequences of early pregnancy, the prevalence of HIV, kailangan ituro lahat yan para alam ng mga kabataan. Pero yung mga sinama nila na mga woke na absurdities are abhorrent to me. And I'm already guaranteeing, hindi pa napasa ito, pero if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it.